Writing formula for XRio Converter Part 5. In the previous video, the information regarding device block and some parts of overcurrent block such as general, CT, and VT were completely covered. As mentioned before, under the Elements tab, by double-clicking on overcurrent block, normal inverse curve is selected for 51 function. The information related to this curve is located in overcurrent elements block. Now we are going to complete the overcurrent elements block information. Enabling a characteristic curve. As you can see, activeness or inactiveness of the characteristic curve is determined in active column. To link the value of this parameter, which is located in the timed overcurrent element block, by following the mentioned steps in previous videos, the add ref param window in device config block, 5051 parameter with enumeration time overcurrent IEC and ID TXT_3_101 is selected, and in 51 block IEC curve parameter with enumeration normal inverse with ID TXT_1_51 is selected and added to references section. Then the formula is written as OC_101 equals TXT_3_101 and curve_51 equals TXT_1_51. To validate the written formula, click on Test and finally click on OK. Determining the value of I pickup num. The parameters related to I pickup current and its tolerances are located in pickup current block. To link the current value of I pickup, whose value is a coefficient of IREF, double-click on State column, and by clicking on icon 3 dots in Value Properties section, click on plus on Extra Formula Editor window, and select parameter pickup 51 from 51 block and reference current parameter from general block on the XRio tree diagram to add them to references section. Then, using the ID of added parameters, the formula is written in the box on the right side as pickup_51/IREF. The formula is validated by clicking on Test. The value of I pickup num parameter is calculated in accordance with that the value of pickup 51 equals 1 ampere in 51 block and the value of CT secondary is 1 ampere in CT's block. Determining the current tolerances. To link the value of tolerance absolute positive parameter with current tolerance minimum parameter, by following the mentioned steps from the XRio tree diagram in the general and overcurrent blocks from the RIO section, the current tolerance minimum parameter is added to references section and the formula is written as current tolerance absolute in the box on the right side, and then the formula is validated. Likewise, the values of tolerance absolute negative, tolerance relative positive, and tolerance relative negative parameters are linked with parameters with ID current tolerance absolute, ID current tolerance relative, and ID current tolerance relative respectively. The tolerance actual positive parameter selects the highest amount of positive tolerance from tolerance absolute positive and tolerance relative positive, and based on a percentage of IREF puts it in its value field. So by following the previous steps and adding ref params, the formula is written as max tolerance absolute positive, comma, tolerance relative positive, multiply by num val divided by 100 and validated. Tolerance actual negative parameter is almost the same as previous parameter. The only difference is that it calculates the highest amount of negative tolerance, and its formula is written as max tolerance absolute negative, comma, tolerance relative negative, multiply by num val divided by 100. Also, for test positive parameter, the formula is written as num val plus tolerance actual positive plus num val multiply by test tolerance divided by 100. This parameter shows the maximum total error of the test, which may occur because of the measurement error of current transformers, test device, noise, and etc. In test negative parameter, the formula is written as num val minus tolerance actual negative minus num val multiply by test tolerance divided by 100, which shows the minimum total error of the test. Determining trip time and the range of relay performance. After determining current tolerances, the information related to time multiplier trip time block should be completed. In this block, by following the mentioned steps, the value of num time multiplier parameter should be linked with time dial 51 parameter, which is located in 51 block. According to IEC standard, the I pickup current value of relays can range from 1.1 to 1.3 times of the nominal current. Based on the manual of this relay, 1.1 is selected for this relay, which means that the relay must not pick up less than the determined current. This parameter is located in min operate current block with the name of num min op car, and its value should be linked with 1.1 times of the nominal current. So the formula is written as 1.1 multiplied by num val. According to IEC standard, if the injected current is bigger than 20 times of the nominal current, the relay should give a trip at a definite time. This parameter is located in max operate current block with the name of num max op car. But in this video, we skipped entering the information of this parameter. It should be noted that the activeness of range limits value should be linked with another parameter in device config block. This parameter is located in timed over current element block with the name of use range limits. By repeating the mentioned steps for linking and selecting the 5051 parameter and enumeration time over current IEC with ID TXT_3 the formula is written as OC_101 equals TXT_3 101, and after testing, the OK option is selected. You can find this parameter in Elements tab of Overcurrent block. If this option is enabled, the relay must not pick up in current values less than I min. Final review. The information regarding the curve is mentioned in the tree diagram of operating curves and standard curve blocks. You can view the changes made by double-clicking on Overcurrent block. Under the Relay Parameters tab, the tolerance values are derived from the determined formula, and its cell color is turned purple. Also, under the Elements tab, the parameters for which a formula is determined are turned purple. Then click on OK to save the settings. You can see that the normal inverse curve is displayed on Overcurrent characteristic window. To further examine the validity of written XRio file, some cases are tested as a sample. To do this, disable this selected in device config block. And then by double-clicking Overcurrent block, you can see that the curve has been disabled. Also, by clicking on OK, no curve is displayed on Overcurrent characteristic window. As another example, the value of time over current IEC is selected in device config block. And in 51 block, pickup 51, 4 ampere is determined as the current value, while time dial 51, 0.5 is determined as time. In the overcurrent block, it is observed that the same changes are made. For example, the minimum current value is I pickup 4.4 ampere. After clicking on OK, the changes are made to overcurrent characteristic window.